Hello everyone and welcome back. Now that we know what generative AI is, let's dive into one of the hottest tools in the market today, ChatGPT. So, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI, designed for natural language understanding and generation, specifically in a conversational context. Let's break down the key components of this definition. Large Language Model (LLM). ChatGPT is what we call a large language model or LLM. We will cover LLMs in the next module. But for now, remember that ChatGPT excels at understanding and generating human language. Natural language understanding and generation. ChatGPT is designed to understand and generate natural language. While newer versions like GPT-4 can generate images, ChatGPT primarily excels in natural language. It understands the patterns, structure, and context of your questions and provides exceptionally good answers. Conversational context. ChatGPT can handle conversational context, meaning it remembers the background and history of a conversation. Just like humans remember the context of a conversation, ChatGPT can do that too, making it remarkably effective. ChatGPT in action. Let's take a demo of ChatGPT's capabilities, including its conversational aspect. Here, I am using GPT-4, the paid version, which also offers DALL-E for image generation. However, since most viewers will be using the free version, I will switch to GPT 3.5 for this demo. First, let's ask ChatGPT, how many airports are there in New York? Remember, ChatGPT is trained only on content up to 2021, so it may not have up-to-date information on recent events. For our query, which is about airports in New York, it provides a good answer, listing 3 major airports and mentioning smaller ones. Notice how ChatGPT generates the response in simple, human-like text. This ability to generate content in an easily understandable manner sets ChatGPT apart. Next, I will ask, which one is closest to New Jersey? ChatGPT remembers our previous conversation about New York airports and responds that New York Airport is the closest to New Jersey. This demonstrates its ability to remember context and provide relevant answers, just like a human would. Key features of ChatGPT Generative AI application. ChatGPT generates data, such as human-like text. It can answer questions, complete sentences, translate languages, perform sentiment analysis, and even generate images with GPT-4 developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI with significant investment from Microsoft. This collaboration has integrated GPT into various Microsoft applications like Bing Search, Windows Copilot, and Microsoft Teams. Currently, the capability is available on Azure Cloud. Trained on billions of documents, ChatGPT is trained on an enormous amount of text data. For example, GPT-3 was trained on 570 GB of text data. This extensive training data contributes to its high accuracy generative pre-trained transformer GPT architecture. ChatGPT is based on the generative pre-trained transformer architecture, which excels in handling complex cases like text and image generation. User-friendly web interface and APIs. ChatGPT offers a web portal for end users, making it accessible and user-friendly. It also provides a place for developers to integrate into their applications, which we will use later in this course to create our own chatbot. Conclusion: ChatGPT is a game-changer application that highlights the future of generative AI. It has established the belief that generative AI will disrupt various areas and technologies. Whether you are a developer, tester, business analyst, sales professional, or in marketing, learning about and embracing generative AI is crucial. So if you have not already, head over to chat.openai.com, create an account, and start using ChatGPT. Have some conversations, ask questions, and experience firsthand how this technology can understand and generate human-like text. You will be amazed at its capabilities. With that said, let's move on to the next section of the course. I will see you there. Thank you.